Lincolns. Go show it to the camera.
Zombie Monster.
If you don't know what we're doing today, we're going to do some monster truck battling and racing. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to choose this guy.
That's Alien Invasion.
Ooh, his name is Alien Invasion.
And this guy's Zombie Monster Mod.
Here, look. If you look closely, you can see it. Alien Invasion. Okay,
And
guys.
Zombie
Let's
Monster
start the
Mod.
racing.
Yeah.
So, first thing we're going to do.
This is his eyes.
Okay, first thing we're going to do is racing. So, we're going to race him. Get ready, Lincoln. Wait, you want to get the blasters?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go get the blasters. 1 second, guys. I'll keep you entertained. Lincoln, keep him entertained.
I feel pee-pee.
No, don't say that.
I feel pee-pee.
He's gonna go pee. So, and I'm gonna get this.
I'm done.
Alright, so now we're gonna get the blasters.
Oh, yeah, this. We need a lamp.
No we don't.
Oh, yeah. We don't. So I picked this guy, right?
Yup. Alright guys, we're about to race them. Alright Lincoln, get to your side. In 3, 2, 1!
Oh, you go further.
Oh guys, wait, no, don't move it, Lincoln. Put it back. Alright guys. So,
Is
let's see who wins. And it looks like Alien Invasion wins. So, Monster Mutt is out. Alright, so now we get him out of the game. So he goes right here. Alright, Alien Invasion.
Normal Monster Mud.
Ooh, he's choosing regular Monster Mud. Why don't you go show the camera? Oh,
Zombie Monster Mud. Wait up his tail.
alright guys. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Get ready in 3, 2, 1!
Oh, you got
Alien Invasion wins again. Alright.
What was Zombie Monster
What
Mud?
are you going to choose next? Go show the Megalodon to them.
This is my new Megalodon.
Here, let me show you. Yeah, guys, look how cool it is. Let's see if it can beat the undefeated 2-0 Alien Invasion. Alright, you guys ready? On your marks, get set, go!
Oh, you got fire.
Oh, Alien Invasion wins once again. Alrighty, so Lincoln's getting ready to choose his next monster truck, and it's the pickup truck. Here, let's go show the camera.
Actually, his name is Doug.
This is Doug, and he's a pickup truck. So let's get to the race. Alrighty, guys. So now, on your marks,
That's it.
go!
Oh, I got further.
Oh, undefeated Alien Invasion loses! Woo-woo! Looks like he is undefeated 1-0. Ooh, who is this?
It's a car.
So this is
A car.
this is a pickup car. And
It's a tow truck.
it's a tow truck, yes. That's what it's called. I knew I didn't get something wrong. You can put cars right in there. Hot Wheels cars, to be exact. Okay, guys, let's get right to the racing. Whoop, whoop. 3, 2, Who is he gonna choose next? Will he choose Shaggy and Scooby-Doo truck? Or will he choose another, once again, Monster Mutt?
Hi.
He chooses another Monster Mutt.
He hasn't been letting me sleep.
Alrighty, guys. We got our launchers ready. Get your launchers ready. On your marks. Get set. Go!
Oh, you go farther.
I went farther. Looks like the car goes and wins once again.
How long was
My
the
brother looked like that.
Only 6 minutes in. We need more launch time.
So maybe he got it.
All right. So now we got the Triceratops versus the car.
Let me tell you his name. Jesse the Cat.
Ooh, great name. And the undefeated, the car. Are you ready?
I just hate the car.
It is now 5-0. It'll be 6-0 if he wins this battle.
Yay!
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
On your marks.
That's it. Go! Oh, you got farther.
I went all the way to the end. Alrighty. That was awesome. I went all the way to the end of the hallway. Come on, Lincoln. Choose your character.
I need the tour one.
Why don't you just choose?
The one with the teeth.
Last night, just for like an hour. Just to
Here,
say
let's
hi,
see
and
what he's
She
called.
brought Jude.
He's
So
called the V8 Bomber. That's his name,
I couldn't even
folks.
have visitors. at the
And we're
hospital.
gonna be racing him against the undefeated car. Hey, what's do that
We were
for?
actually lucky because there was like no
Because I
one
just
else
hate
there.
the car so much.
Some of the
Okay.
ladies.
Because I
The night
defeated you
got
every
there,
single
there
time
was
with him.
nobody.
Yeah.
All right, you guys ready?
And then
On your marks,
the
get
next
set,
December-
go!
Oh, you got farther.
All right, the car wins once again.
And the V8 bomber.
7-0. Woo, woo.
V8 bomber is out.
My water
Yup.
broke. It was like
All right.
8:45.
Sunday?
All right. So, what is he gonna choose?
It was Sunday.
All right,
night,
get
like
ready, folks.
8:45,
He's gotta
I was sitting on the
choose
floor,
his
and I stood
character.
up, and it just,
All right, who are you gonna choose?
yeah.
Stick to the
I
bone.
couldn't believe it.
He chooses
Stick
Grave
No,
Digger.
it's stick to the bones.
Stick to the bones. Alrighty, guys. Are you ready? I think that's a yes. So on your marks. Did you just do it?
No.
Get set. Go! And the car wins once again.
Like the first 12 hours,
So,
I labored
this goes. Lincoln, put this in the lose.
My body's just like
pile.
tired.
The car wins once again.
Yeah, and then
Alright, who is he gonna choose? He chooses another grave digger.
Oh yeah, they will.
Get
Get
ready. On your marks.
Get it.
Go!
Oh, I got farther.
Oh, looks like the car wins once again with an undefeated 9-0. See if he loses or wins. On your marks. Get set. Go!
Oh, I won! I didn't hate this guy. I didn't hate this guy.
I was not
Okay,
surprised.
good. All right, folks. Looks like Hot Wheels is the final winner, and he beat the 11 and 0.
They're gonna have to give us brains.
The car. All right.
That's what they're
So, where's the car? He's in the lose over there. He's in the lose pile over there. All right, guys, and the best part is we got a special someone who is here to talk to you. All right, Lincoln, let's go show him the special someone at the end of the hallway. All right, guys. So, this right here, this is Shark Man, and he has to say something. All right, guys, so I'm going to say something, and it is, so if you go to our channel and you click on the blue thingy, and you tell your parents to go and buy you it, it'll save you, like, so much. It's like Christmas merch, and you can, like, buy it, and you'll be ready for any Christmas thing ever. On Christmas Day, you'll have the best t-shirt ever. So click the link and you'll be there. That's what I got to say, folks. And now I'm gone. Well, no, he's still right there. He's still right there, but like he's not gone. He's just...
I'm ready for bed.
Yeah, I'm still right here, guys.
Yay!
Yep, he just flew at the camera and died.